All right, we are heading back to London now, where Ian Lee is standing by. Ian, you've been following several stories from around the globe for us, including what's happening right where you are. I hope you stocked up on all your favorite foods, because it looks like you will be locked down for the holidays.
Good morning, Emery. Yeah, we have been stocking up quite a bit, and it's all because of this new mutant variant of the coronavirus that has Europe shutting its doors on the UK. There was a mad dash over the weekend as people rushed to get out of the country before the new orders went into effect. Germany, Italy, Belgium, and Canada have all suspended flights from the UK, while the government here in London ordered this new lockdown. And what's making everyone so nervous is that the health minister says this variant is 70% more transmissible. He added that the virus is getting out of control, and we're seeing COVID cases here skyrocketing. While this all does sound pretty scary, there is some good news. First, there isn't any evidence that it's more deadly, and second, health officials believe that this vaccines should be effective against it. But still, countries aren't taking any chances, and that unknown is causing havoc, especially at major conduits between the UK and Europe. France is among the countries blocking UK passengers for 48 hours, and that's caused a huge traffic jam at ports connecting the two countries. Typically, during the Christmas season, about 10,000 semis a day carry goods between Dover in the UK and Calais in France, but Paris has put the brakes on anyone traveling through the Eurotunnel. Fortunately, it won't ruin the holidays as retailers stocked up before Christmas, but they'll be keeping a close eye on this, and so will we. Next, we are in Nigeria, where police have rescued 84 school children. There are reports a local militia may have aided the rescues. Gunmen abducted these students as they were returning home from a religious ceremony. The government didn't identify who was behind it or their motive, only saying that it was carried out by bandits. However, this is the second time this month that students had to be rescued after being taken hostage in Nigeria. A little over a week ago, more than 300 boys were kidnapped by armed men from their boarding school. Many of those children were also freed and reunited with their families. Finally, we are ending down under, where a record number of people are turning out to get tested for COVID. The Greater Sydney area is implementing new restrictions to contain a growing outbreak of the virus. These rules include household gatherings capped at 10 people and indoor venues limited to 300. And this comes, as we all know, during one of the busiest travel periods. Thousands of people are heading home for Christmas, but this has caused neighboring states to shut their borders as a precaution and ordered folks who do make it to quarantine for 14 days. Anne-Marie, what's striking about Australia's actions is when you bring it into context with what's happening in other countries. They are taking these new measures after reporting just 68 cases. By and large, the country has been called a success story for containing the virus, with roughly 28,000 total infections and less than 1,000 deaths.
Yeah, you know, that is the thing about Australia, is that they have been very stringent and, taking this very seriously and really managed to beat back this virus. I think it's a good indication of just how stubborn this virus is, and you really have to be relentless with it. You cannot let up. Ian Lee, thank you so much, Ian. Have a good day, I guess. I was going to say happy holidays, but I'll talk to you again.
Tomorrow.
All right.